Good morning, guys! Diba mo, I just got back from Northern Samar. Have you been to Northern Samar? So I never been to Northern Samar. It was my first time, and you know what? I fell in love with the enchanted and mysterious Northern Samar. Bitaw, I'm so surprised yet. It was beyond expectations. You know, I had a family tour because Philippine Airlines just recently launched the Cebu to Catarman flight. So going to Cebu, dito to Northern Samar, Catarman. It will take around less than an hour, Mantina. Pero it will fly 3 times weekly. So among gitanaw unsa yung nindot dito doon sa Catarman now. Diba? Kay makato naman tama, makato naman sa Northern Samar. So we had a familiarization tour, courtesy of PAL. Mga disclaimer not, of course, because they want to promote their new destination. Kuyog na ko ang some travel agents, some bloggers, some content creators. And mauna, I'm there. I was there. I was exploring the beautiful Northern Samar. So ako lang masulti is it is beautiful, pero mo nag-deserve yun ng little spotlights at sa ila kay sure, para nakudakan kitag probinsya des Pilipinas tingali na we should promote also. Tourism can help, and it's not only for foreigners but also for locals. There are things that you can do there, diba? So kung tayo dito sa Northern Samar, nasa mga rock formations sa Biri Island, sa Biri, some really maka-rival some of the best there is a country ba na makatake of photos. But it's not just mag-photos, mag-hike pa mo, maligo. So marag daghang rock formations ito na deserving ta maligo ta, di ba? Mo suroy, maligo. And alipay gyud kay ko sa team lang Ma'am Josette dito, you know, provincial tourism officer and their governor. Yes, the familiarization tour na mo, they took us from several towns, like atuon namin sa landing sa Catarman. Then we went to the first is Rosario, which is named sa Holy Rosary na town. Yeah, then Macoronay known for their kinis, or what they call it, mud crab. Though we didn't have mud crab there, but at least get an idea about sa livelihood there sa Samar na daghan og mangingisda, crabs, abundant sila ana. So nangaon mi dito, nangaon mi restaurant dito sa La Mesa, and afterwards ni ato Miss Lavizares, which is our jump off point to Biri, the town of Biri, or katong Biri Island yun ni ato bi. And sa Biri Island na seven prominent rock formations na pwede ka magpa-picture. So nato sa Amara nagstay, and abi kuan nag-tour mi amo na migiadto na marag katong tulay na marag pangtao lang na connected two major barangays dito sa ila. Then afterwards among first rock ang Belat o Caranas ba na, among gitanaw, nagpa-picture mi dito, and really it was out of this world yun ang photos. Naghanig lakaw noon. If you wanna go there, namin mga habal-habal ang transportation, pero nagani lakaw, pero willing lagi ka mo lakaw. So it's nice yun na marag exercise at ba. So mato dayon ni-cap na mo first day na ato may sunset viewing, nakabot mo yung gamay pero hindi nakabot sa kuhan ba katong sunset na yun. But yeah, we had nasa Busay Hills, diba, na nasa viewing point for the town. And actually kung on a good day like sa summer, makita yun mo ng bulusan o mayon ko dito, and that's interesting. Then early morning, dinner me, then afterward dinner me with the mayor day. Then afterwards we had an early morning, matay 4 AM, because we wanna chase the sunrise dito sa Makadlaw rock formation. And it was grabe sa baklay, 30 minutes mula bangkag murag mangroves, mabasa sa imong tiil, so murag it's preferred dito kinahanglan yun naka very hiking shoes, but very kanang mga reef shoes ba kanang pandagat na shoes na grip na party ka maslide kay kuya sa dito na sa mga bato na maslide yung kapag ka mag careful. So our next trip was our next spot. Human atong makadlaw, nilabang na isla. Balik may sa town of Lavizares, but this time atong isa ka isla called La Laguna. I think it's San Isidro ba na? Pero it was La Laguna, which is an eco park, mangrove eco park. So nag-support ng government, ang Chiesa, they funded this mangrove preservation. Ang community ang nag-manage, which is nindot sa dito na pwede ka mag-kayaking, nasa accommodations sa mga traka, magbalin sa mura mo sa auto, accommodations, and pwede mo mag-swimming, una sa sila pagkaon dito niya, then panggugon wala, kanang mura pag suso, kanang it's a kind of shell, seashell na kayong supsupon, mana akong interesting na nakaon dito. And then we move back niya ato miso sa ka-hotel dito, sa Royal Palm Hotel, kanang nasa sila mga social na hotel dito ba na they want to feature. Ay pakita lang nato na nasa sila mga parang nanagang mga comfortable accommodation sa towns na asan. Then afterwards, grabe ni daghan liyad to padayon namang biyahe, we went to the former capital dito, ang Palapag, di ba? Which is dito nagpuyo si Sumuroy, man ilang hero. So man ay nag-led sa Sumuroy Revolt, the shortest revolt in the Philippines, but it's also like the first first and shortest revolt, but it lasted about over a year. Pero iyang gisunog ang simbahan na siya mga misgiving sa mga Espanyol in 1649. Iyang gisunog ang simbahan, and his revolt, while it was short, it spread through to Leyte, to Masbate, to Albay, to Cebu, to Bohol. Abot ang ano pero pag ni-viral siya, kuya ko saan ni-viral siya even sa una. How would they know, no? Ano ba? Ano ni katag ang iyang kuan ba? Ang iyang pag-rebuild sa Espanyol. Katag kanton sa Mindanao kay dito dapit na sa mga gusan ba? Abot gyud ba nilabang dagat ang iyang mga kuan. Hindi na iyang kasakupan, pero mao na iyang movement ng iyang mga kuan. So di na malikayan na sa una na gila ding ana ang pag-rebuild ba na mo katag yun na, diba? Ano yung story, then ipatay na siya by his own men, then katong naguba na simbahan na mong giadto kay naman sa si Father Alcina, mga Jesuit na nagtukod ana, diba? One of the masa na nagsuwat yun about sa itong kultura na si libro ba. Ang Palapag, we want to katong sa Pacific Rock, kato ilang Blue Lagoon unta, pero nagkita naman mi. Then we went to sa Kuala Gabay, yan din ang atupig. The next day na atupig Kanawayon Island, ibalik mi Pacific Rock, atupig more botanical gardens sa Lia. Then we went to the town of San Roque to have snacks, to kaon, to have dinner, diba? Adili dinner, nag-dinner na may stagpuan sa Katarman. Then the next day, the final day itong gahapon, we went to the provincial capital, nakita mo si Gov, then namalitig pasalubong, and nagdami mga pasalubong, mostly mga sweet. I didn't know nila kanali mga pili ba, they're sila ang kuan na mapilisan ang kaning atong taon ay ang Northern Samar produces a lot of the pili nuts. Amin itong sa Bicol na ba? So nasa di pili nuts dito, diba? And that's nang all I can say is nalingaw yung go dito sa Northern Samar. If you're looking for a new destination to visit, diba, kanang something visitas ubang tao, kanang bihira pa tabang tag-promote aning Northern Samar ba kay pagkakuan yun sa naging potential man, tako ay potential ng tourism sa ganahan ra sa ko silang kuan man na ganahan ko tabangan sa sila kay may lugar na amin basta naglakalahi ba while mingon ta nagkumpita tanan sa turista mas may man magtuyok ng tanan na we market the Philippines as a whole how diverse our tourism pero hopefully ang ma-develop nila para sa ako lang nasa Calamig Cebu man ta ma-showcase gud nila ng local cuisine because I always want na kada adto na ko ba I wanna feature local heritage cuisine gud ba or local brand man lang local man man atong gihope and that's what we hope for to see in the future na all those local I mean there are businesses that will thrive locally but also have a spotlight globally. Speaking of which, this coming July mag-organize ko sa Cebu in a Bite na atong Calamig Cebu. That's a feature on the best to showcase the best of the food of Cebu. Diba? Not only ka namang Cebuano food, the traditional Cebuano food, but also those homegrown brands that we're trying to make it big in the industry. Kanang ganahan tama national ba. And we're hoping naman I hope na masaksid na basta mag-continue lang ta sa pag-support na ba. Diba? And anyway, elections na sad. So, laban lang. Let's see what happens. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And magkuha na lang na nalipay ko. Nana ko direct balik. And hopefully, padayon lang pagsuporta, pagtanaw, o pagkuyog na ako sa akong suroy-suroy. Diba? And I hope to see you once again sa itong mga next na drive lag and let me know what you want to talk about. Diba? Morning Cebu on Araw ng Kagitingan. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.